Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best solid wood bookcases that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amherst Solid Wood Bookcase. Improve the way to store your books and other accessories with the Simply Home bookshelf. Printing of a dark brown finish, it complements other decors in your study area such as desks, tables, and much more. Also, it has 4 adjustable shelves for easy storage and 1 fixed to create an interesting way to display items. It measures 70 inches long by 30 inches wide to hold more stuff. Note that its weight has an NC lacquer coating to highlight the uniqueness of the grain. Plus, its hand-finished design brings out a personalized element in your home. Moreover, this stand is durable and stable. With an edged tabletop featuring a premium molded crown, it adds more safety. In addition, the tapered legs are steady and prevent vibrations and shakes when in use. You can relocate your bookcase effortlessly from one place to the other. An added feature is that the solid wood has a smooth line structure and great anti-mildew and odor-free properties. That means more safety to your respiratory system, unlike using the other low-quality stands. Moving on, at number 4, we have the 6-shelf double-wide wood bookcase. If you prefer to use the best solid wood bookcase that holds both large and small items, stops worrying. We have this stand by Concepts in wood brand that supports up to 70 pounds of load. What this means is superior stability and reliability. Featuring 2 fixed and 4 adjustable shelves, you can place a variety of valuables. Whether it's books, magazines, accessories, or other, you get easy access. Moreover, this stand's unique handcrafted design is made from solid wood molding and genuine wood veneers. This improves longevity without peeling or cracking like the paper laminate. Additionally, it has a 10-step polyurethane finish that provides a stain-resistant service. It only that, but also it looks elegant with its eco-safe elements free of VOC emissions. Enjoy a quick in assembly, thanks to the camlocks, wood back panel, and dowels. Note that the panel has better strength than cardboard to give you excellent stability. This equipment measures 36 inches high by 48 inches wide by 10.62 in diameter. At number 3, we have the Oxford Open Bookcase with Burnish finish. We understand some bookcase needs a bit of assembly before the first use. If you dislike setting up the item from scratch, you can use Martin Furniture Stand. It comes fully assembles to support immediate use. Not only that, but also you can place all your valuables such as books to keep your library neat. Made in the USA using quality wood, it is stable and reliable. In addition to this, it has a hand-applied burnish, including wear sanding, pinholes, dry brushing, and rasping. These elements give your piece more character and a unique appearance. Thanks to the 2 fixed and 5 adjustable shelves, you enjoy versatile storage. You can create a design that meets your needs to keep the library neat and easily accessible. Although this top-rated solid wood bookcase is a bit pricey than the other brands, it has better stability. Whether you move it to other locations a number of times, it still delivers an excellent service. Measuring 36 inches wide by 13 inches in diameter by 84 inches high, it is spacious. At number 2, we have the large shaker bookcase. You don't have to spend too much on a bookshelf to enjoy simple access to items. Instead, you can invest in a less pricey best solid wood bookcase from International Concepts. Made from premium parwood with a unique butcher block surface, it has lovely aesthetic appeal. This design and vintage characters make it stand out from the rest. Besides, the material is mildew-resistant and rot-resistant to give you long years of use. Equally important are the 3 adjustable shelves. You can create customized storage to keep your books, photos, and more valuables securely. Now, you have a steady product that provides maximum stability. Moreover, this top solid wood bookcase has a 2.20-inch distance from the floor to the bottom of the lower shelf. This gives you enough clearance to keep the space neat. Note each compartment measures 32.67 inches wide by 9.84 inches in diameter to accommodate small to medium-sized items. And finally at number 1, we have the 5-tier bookshelf with vintage industrial style. This bookshelf provides you with a large space to showcase your valuables. It measures 72 inches high by 12 inches wide by 47 inches tall. What this means is a simple placement of books, photos, and more valuables at once. Also, the compartments have a perfect height of about 14.2 inches for good clearance between each shelf. This stand comes with 5 spacious slots with 47 inches of length, not only giving you an ideal storage organization but also superior display needs. Reliability, durability, and stability are a guarantee with this bookshelf. Made from engineered wood and steel tube metal, you will enjoy years of use. Another benefit is the modern open design that encourages versatility. Add this budget-friendly bookshelf to any room for storage purposes. You can keep your finest trinkets, curios, knickknacks, or books to enjoy easy access. Not only that, but also it keeps your space neat and aesthetically appealing. Additionally, this product has an anti-slip leg pad for balance and scratch-free service. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.